In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sizes to products in WooCommerce. Whether you're setting up an online store for clothing, accessories, or any other products that come in multiple sizes. This is a must-know feature that will help you organize your store and improve the shopping experience for your customers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create size options for your products, step by step directly in WooCommerce. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage everything related to your website, including your WooCommerce store. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side menu. This is where all the important options are located. From here, navigate to the Products section. It's usually easy to spot since it's labeled clearly as Products. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down menu, you're going to select Attributes. Attributes in WooCommerce are essentially characteristics that you can assign to your products, such as color, material, or in this case, size. Attributes are incredibly useful for creating product variations and making your store more user-friendly overall. So go ahead and click Attributes to get started. Now that you're on the Attributes page, you'll see a section called Add New Attribute. This is where we'll create our size attribute. In the name field, type in the word size. You can leave the slug field blank because WooCommerce will automatically generate one for you. Once you've typed size, click the Add Attribute button. This will save your new attribute and add it to the list of existing attributes displayed on the same page. Next, find the size attribute in the list you just updated. It should now appear with the other attributes on your site. To the right of the size attribute, you'll see a link that says Configure Terms. This is where you'll define the specific size options that your products will use, like small, medium, or large. Click Configure Terms to move on to this step. Now you're on the page where you can add individual size options in the name field. Enter your first size option. For example, you might start with small. Once you've typed it in, click the Add New Size button. This saves the size option and adds it to the list below. You can repeat this process for all the additional sizes you want to include. For example, after small, you might add medium and then large. Just type each size into the name field and click the Add New Size button each time. And that's it. You've successfully added a size attribute to your WooCommerce store and created specific size options for your products. These size options are now ready to be assigned to your products when you create or edit them. This ensures your customers can easily select the size they need when purchasing from your store, making their shopping experience smoother and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.